We're going to make sheep today out of clay or Play-Doh. Hello there, Arty Tots is back again from Leamington Spa Art Gallery and Museum. Today I really fancied making something out of clay. Now you could use clay or Play-Doh or plasticine, whatever you want to make. Now I love animals. And today I've been having a go at making these lovely fluffy sheep. I've been really enjoying looking at all the sheep and the lambs on my walks. And do you know, that reminded me that there are so many animals in our art gallery and museum in some of the amazing paintings that we've got. And I thought now I'd show you some of those paintings and we'll have a little quiz. And when I show the painting, I want you to see if you can spot the animal and then see what noise it makes. Anyway, should we go and show you some of our beautiful paintings? Then after that I'm going to show you step by step in photos how I made these gorgeous little friends. Oh, I spy some lovely cows sitting by the River Avon. And you can see Warwick Castle in the background. This was painted by Thomas Baker, who did lots of local scenes. Oh, some lovely sheep. What noise do sheep make? Aren't they fluffy and cuddly and gorgeous, just like the ones we're going to make? Now, what are these? I think they're otters. I've got no idea what sound an otter makes. Can you believe how beautifully painted these cows are? And I think there's going to be a big thunderstorm with some lightning. These are by Thomas Baker again. When you come and see the art gallery when we're open again, you'll see there are lots and lots of lovely paintings of horses. And here we've got Kenilworth Castle now with some more sheep. I think they're sheep. Have a proper look. Now here's another painting of some sheep, and I think they're by a lake. The ones we're going to make are going to be sitting down like the ones at the front of this picture. This is Tommy the horse, painted by Thomas Temple. Lots of T's. Isn't he gorgeous? I wonder what sound he makes. This has got loads of animals in it. I think I can see goats and pigs and maybe a dog. And do you know, this painting tells a story all about a boy who was a bit naughty. You'll have to come into the gallery to have a look at it. So now I want you to start thinking about the sheep that we saw. Here they are. Look how fluffy and round. And we're going to have a go at making sitting down sheep. So you need either some Play-Doh or some plasticine or some clay if you've got it. You can use air dry clay that you can buy, or you can buy clay from other places too. Now the first thing you need to do is make a chicken nugget shape and a sort of hook shape for the face. Then if you start smoothing the whole shape round and smooth the edges so it's nice and round, and then put the head onto the side of the chicken nugget, and you start to see a sitting down sheep. Look, they're already sitting looking at us. Now this bit is so fun. If you're allowed to use an old sieve, you can push Play-Doh or clay through the sieve with your fingers and it squeezes out and it creates fluffy hair. Then you can stick it on if it's clay with water and a toothbrush, or you can just press it on if it's with Play-Doh. There, look how fluffy and cuddly Mr. Sheep looks. Now I've made a little lamb too. He hasn't got any fur yet. Now if you haven't got a sieve, you could use the end of an old pencil to make spots. Here they are, sitting very cuddly together. So have fun making your sheep, and I hope you enjoyed looking at our lovely pictures. Just for all the parents and carers out there, this video is also being shared by Warwickshire Open Studios, and we appreciate this one's very much for children and very child friendly, but we just want to encourage you here at Leamington Spa Art Gallery and Museum that we know from the stats that if you bring your kids really early and help them to understand art and history and what we have to offer for free in our local art gallery and museum, that it lasts for a lifetime. So enjoy sharing with your kids, and Thank you for watching. Bye.